Hey guys, I have a really quick video here. This was brought on by someone asking me, what's the first modification you should do after purchasing a Gen 1 Ford Raptor? And most people think that answer would be, suspension, wheels, tires, something extravagant, something to put you apart from the crowd, But that's not it. The first modification you should do is the Fuse 27 modification. And it's a really easy modification. It takes about 2 hours to do. It costs about $25. You can also get it done at a dealership. It will cost you about $120, $130. But basically what it does is move the fuel pump relay from Fuse 27 to Fuse 70. So if you purchase a Ford Raptor and you do not see the Fuse 70 sticker on your engine fuse panel, that's the #1 thing you should do. Now this is one of those things that I think Ford should have remedied on their own via a recall, but that being said, they haven't. So it's just one of those things being proactive. I've seen anywhere from people being stranded because they can't get their truck to start to people having their trucks burned to the ground. This isn't a joke, this isn't hyperbole. There have been members of the forums that I've been part of that have literally lost their trucks because of this. So that's why it's my #1 modification and the first thing you should do after buying a Gen 1 Ford Raptor. Thanks for watching.